Over the course of my life, I've learned a couple skills that have enabled me to live up until this point. And one of those skills was graphic designing, and amongst many was videography and photography. And currently or recently, I've been learning Webflow and other related skills. So I decided, why not document those skills for everyone to see? Maybe there might be someone who's at my level right now who might want to see the process of growth, I guess. So that's the reason why I created this YouTube channel. Hopefully someone can resonate, and if that is you, please subscribe, like, so that you can share this channel with other like-minded people who might also find this content valuable. So my name is Jai. Other people call me Uncle Jai for some reason. But yeah, from your Uncle Jai, peace. See you in the next videos.